This model is showing a neuron. Now what you're seeing here is this is going to be the body of the neuron over here with the nucleus. This is your axon coming off. This will continue up on this side. So we'll start over here and we'll work over there in a second. So in the body of the nucleus, you can see here's the nucleus. These blue pieces around it are nissl bodies. You can see all of these pieces here, here, one back here, one over here. These are the dendrites coming off of the body. This is the one axon, so the axon hillock going down to the axon. What you're noticing then from the axon over here is it runs down this whole length. This portion over here has this myelin sheathing around it. This is going to be a Schwann cell. So the Schwann cell is wrapping around the actual axon inside of it right here. That's helping to insulate, to increase the speeds of transmission. You're then going to have these nodes around Vier, the gaps in between each of the Schwann cells. So it's a node around Vier, Schwann cell, node around Vier, and it keeps on going over and over. Since this is a Schwann cell over here, we know we're in the peripheral nervous system. Now, as that axon goes to the end, it'll turn into an axon terminal. That's what these things are that are sticking to the dendrites. These are symbolic of the axon terminals that be forming a synapse. So you have the axon terminal coming down. The little tiny dots in here are the synaptic vesicles that could then cause a release to transmit the information into the axon itself. This one is transmitting into the dendrites up here. So again, this is a whole thing is a neuron. This is the axon over here inside of a Schwann cell. This is the axon not inside of a Schwann cell. That is the model of the neuron.